Here we are. There's a little trike fest or trike showing here. So we're gonna go and take a look at it over there. Station Center over there. Nice.
Yeah. Oh, wait, sure.
The bullet was in the distance.
When in doubt, gotta go win trike. What's up, buddy?
Look at that bike.
I'm going over there now. This is not a trike, but it's a cool bike. Look at that thing. I like to get one of this with the Marine Corps Eagle Glove and Anchor. But dude, they are so expensive, it's ridiculous. Oh yeah, I actually consider this. That is nice. You don't like it, Manny? You don't like it?
I think like that one over there, and that one, and that one, and that one all cool.
So you don't like this one?
No.
Oh, I like this one. Look at that engine. Look at the wheels. Nice. That's cool.
I think this one is right, Papa?
Holy cow.
Guys, let's sit down now. Oh.
Wow. Thanks for starting that. Man.
That is cool.
But I think it'll be cool to have one, right?
You think it would be cool, buddy?
So, like, one of these, I'd like things like that. Then you probably get the seats right here. Then you put the handle, then you put a roof over it. And you drive it. And
Yeah.
look, it's in there.
Yeah, that would be really cool.
Right?
It's pretty tight right there.
But it can be a trike, but it looks like a car. Right, Papa?
This is cool too. Wait, buddy, let me look at this.
Papa. Papa. I think.
That's cool. That's cool. Why?
Look at that bike. They got a sidecar on it.
Yeah, we're gonna go and look at it now. Look at this cool thing right here. That is really cool. Ooh, let's look at this one right here. Wow. Look at those wheels. Sick rocking right here. With a 128. We the people. Nice. Look at those wheels. Very nice. Little sporty trike. Very nice. Step of 5 for all my Marines. You guys have fun?
Yes.
Yeah? A lot of fun, little fun.
lot of fun. Sitting on the chair.
All right, we'll see you in the next video. Got us in control.